Welcome to the Ivory Attic. I'm Ian Isherwood.
I'm Kurt Andreessen.
And we are here for Drink Responsibly January. Barkeep, what do we have on tap for today?
Well, what episode is this?
Episode 4?
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, great. Okay. Yeah. So I wanted to make sure that we got the, if you haven't seen the other ones, stop watching right now. Go back and watch this. Today, we're going to do very simple drink. It's a new technique. We're doing a built drink.
Okay.
Where you're building it right in the glass.
All right. That sounds fine.
And it's going to be, just like you and me, an old-fashioned.
Oh, make me an old-fashioned, barkeep. So how do we make this amazingly simple drink?
Well, we start out with a really important ingredient.
What's that?
A really nice piece of ice.
My colleague has an ice obsession, and one of his things is he thinks I have low-quality ice. But I can assure you, you can make this drink with low-quality ice.
But why would you want to when you have perfect ice? So we're going to start with some perfect ice. And we're going to add 2 ounces of our Four Roses bourbon. All right.
And it can be any bourbon, rye.
It can be. You can use all kinds of different stuff. The nice thing about this, it's basically the whatever whiskey you like.
Yep.
Is the one you should be using. All right. We're just going to pour that right on top.
The ice gets clearer the more you pour it.
Isn't that beautiful?
It is.
I'm pouring a little slowly so the ice doesn't crack, so it looks really nice.
Okay.
All right.
People tend to like slow videos too.
Yeah, no, exactly. That's all the people like.
It's all the rage.
So often you'll see old fashions made by crushing a sugar cube in the bottom with some some bitters. Right?
Yeah, that's how I think my grandfather used to make them.
So that's fine. Some people like that because you kind of get a different experience. It starts out kind of very whiskey-y at the beginning, and then as you go further down, it gets sweeter and sweeter.
Yeah.
It also gets diluted as you go through, things like that. I actually prefer using simple syrup, where I've actually already dissolved some sugar in some water. And in this case, I'm using Demerara syrup, where I've actually taken Demerara sugar, so the brownish sugar, and I basically mix it at a part of 2 parts of the sugar to 1 part of the water by weight. All right, and you can do it's similar by volume. Nice thing is you get this really nice deep color, and it gives it kind of like some molassesy flavors that are really nice. So again, you can adjust this to your taste. I have a bit of a sweet tooth, and I think we're about similar. So I use let's say a healthy spoonful.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right.
Oh, that is syrupy.
Oh, it's syrupy. Okay, I'll give you a secret. This is actually gum syrup. I've added a little bit of gum arabic to make it a little thicker, which is quite nice. But you can look that up if you want to do that.
You can tell you're a scientist.
Yeah, exactly. The last thing is, the last 2 things are, first of all, we're going to use some bitters. Often we use Angostura bitters. You use any bitters you want. Some walnut bitters are really nice.
Yeah, I like the walnut.
Some orange bitters. All those are nice. I'm actually going a little different. I have these Trader Joe's classic bitters that someone gave to me.
Okay.
I thought we'd try these out.
All right, let's try.
They have a nice flavor. They're very. They have a lot of kind of warm notes to it, so it's quite nice. All right, just a couple dashes. There we go. All right. And now
we build the drink.
We're going to take our spoon and just give it a real quick stir around.
I don't see any crushed fruit in the bottom.
You do not see any crushed fruit, and you will not see any crushed fruit in the bottom.
Why is that?
Many people like those types of old fashions. This is supposed to be like the original old fashions, which are simply some liquor, some whiskey generally, with some sugar and bitters.
Okay,
and that's it. I will get you a little bit of fruit in there,
all right,
which is that I'm going to do our orange peel trick again. I'm going to squeeze it on top. We're going to do a little rub. And we're going to stick it in the side.
All right.
All right. Enjoy.
The moment of truth. It's fabulous. Everything an old fashioned should be.
That's right. All right.
All right. Thank you so much. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Thanks for coming on the Ivory Attic.
All right.